Hello folks, this is Gabriel ILiadis with songwriter-and-producer.com, and today I will be talking about the songwriting analysis of an original song I wrote and produced called Yearning For You. The place you can find it is on my YouTube channel, which is called Songwriter and Producer. Look for that, and it's right here at the top. I also would like to ask you to go to the website, which is songwriter-and-producer.com, and there you'll find a blog that is split into videos and articles for songwriters and producers, and also a bonus section called Song Critique. So if you click at the blog, you will see all the things that we're writing about regarding songwriting and producing, as well as videos, tutorials about how to produce or how certain songs were produced, as well as why they were written the way they were. You can email me at Gabriel@songwriter-and-producer.com. You can also find me in the About section here, right here, Gabriel ILiadis, and you can read my bio, and this is my email again, right here. Also, please go to the Facebook page, again, Songwriter-and-producer.com. Please look for that over here, and this is where we post everything that is happening regarding this effort. Okay, all the articles and all the comments regarding those. Twitter page, same thing. Songwriter, because of truncation, it's Songwriter and Produce. Okay, at Songwriter and PR. Going back to the song for today, I'll play the first couple of minutes for you, and then I'll go into the analysis of why I wrote how I wrote it and show you on the piano, right on the piano, right here, how I came about writing this. Okay, so let me play this. Okay, so this is good for now. There's a lot more, but I'll go through this throughout the analysis. The video, by the way, has also been produced by me. I like this video, and it, I think, fits the nature and the vibe of this song. So how did this song come about? Let me switch to the piano here. The thinking was And by the way, if you've heard previous songs, you'll see, another song called Suddenly. I'll put a link. And the first mix of Suddenly, the first production, very, very different than this, right? So the thinking of Yearning For You was, let's do a club song. First thing that comes to mind for me is the BPM, and that is 123. 123 is good, balanced BPM for a club song. A lot of DJs like that. Let me go into the melody and the chords. The second thing I thought of was the chords have to be simple. For the previous song that I covered through videos, suddenly the verse, for example, was pretty complicated compared to a club song. Club songs usually do not have more than maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 chords or so, between 2 and 4, 2 and 6, something like that. So this song is 3 chords. We are at -1 transposed on the piano. So 3 chords, very simple. E minor. C major. D major. We add some spice with nines for the E minor, F sharp, and D for the C major, and E for the D major. Okay, these are the 3 chords. Let's write a melody on these. Just an arpeggio of these 3 chords. So what do I write? What do I write? I always write the melody first, then the lyrics. But this was one of those few songs that I was like, okay, so what should I write? What should the song be about? And the first thought was about a person yearning for the feel and touch of her lover. Okay, very clubby. The words that came to mind was someone yearning. So yearning for you. I was thinking, I thought of images. I thought, some of the ones that you have seen and you'll see on the video. And I thought of, that yearn, that, I want to be close to or with someone. We have these 3 chords. We have 123, I'll put the click track. I'm not recreating everything right now, but I'll put the kick drum in a second and the vocals. And I'll start playing the piano. But I knew Yearning For You and I knew the chords. So I had to start with a melody on the right hand that could fit to the Yearning For You. So I was like, something like maybe, so we start with E minor. I have noticed that a lot of popular melodies simply stay around the chord. I've talked extensively about my love with 9s. So all this is doing is playing. For those that know your chords well, you know that these 3 notes are E minor, and then here's your 9th. Just an inversion of C. Just playing it just for it to come. Yearning for you. Yeah, maybe in the beginning. Through improvisation, I start hearing something I like, and when I catch it, I keep repeating it until I see how catchy it is. Very important. Motif. I've said this before in other videos. Motif is the most important thing for catchy melody. Okay? Look up the definition of motif. I should make a 1.5 minute quick video of what motif is. Finding a melody that's simple and catchy is not easy. Okay, to me, be artistic with a very complicated, jazzy, let's say, melody is fine, good, excellent, but can you be popular with something simple that is also artistic? That to me is the ultimate. So, There you go. Yearning for you. That's the beginning. Look where I am. I am right there, right at the heart of E minor with a ninth. The fifth of the C major. You know, these three notes, very, very, very D major-like. Let's play this again. This is the verse. This is, because I'm still at C major, this is the sixth of the C major, okay? But I'm falling right away, I'm falling into the C major third, passing through the fourth. What would a variation of that be? I played that in the beginning. I'll leave the variations alone. I'll play them while the singer is singing. I love that vocal, fits this song very, very well. Her performance was excellent. And I'll skip into the chorus, because to me, the chorus is the one that has, in this case, the most chromatic effect, the most spice, the most color, the most character. So, club song, 123, EDM, with a kick drum being at the heart of it, yet a melody that comes from a different geography, right? So, same chords. What's happening here? I love this. This melody, most of you, if you hear it maybe 10, 20 times, this is a very catchy thing. Very bluesy, very I'm crying like, very I'm complaining like. This is a complaining melody, that's what it is. But to me, very melodic. Okay, again, 3 chords, one of them is minor, 2 of them are major, yet it's complaining. Very key here. Major chords, yet sad melody. The 2 mix. It's like salt and chocolate. It starts on the 5th of the chord, E minor, which is B. And within the scale, which is it follows falling downwards to the lower register. Notes of the scale, one by one. This melody was written way before I put words on, lyrics that is, so it was melody first. So this could have been a piano or an instrumental. This is where the chord change will happen. We'll go to C major, and this is its third. Third for the D major. This is the spiciest point in all of the song. The marriage of D major on the left and the B on the right. Because it's the most unorthodox melody. I mean, we're talking simple stuff here, but this is where everything is simple, everything is, kind of makes sense over here, what I played up to now. But the fact that we have B while D major is playing, I hope some of you find this pretty. I find it, these are the things that fascinate me about the relationship of the chord and the melody. B, what is B to the D major? It's the sixth. I didn't do this on purpose. I probably should make a session for this song, because it's so simple, under the chord play section, playlist of YouTube. This is where I play the same melody and I find different chords. I love that. I'm fascinated by how chords and melody fit together and how different chords give a completely different feel, audibility. How when you change the chords, you keep the same melody, yet something else is spawned. And many times a hybrid solution may be the best. I'm saying all that because on this note, on the B, which is the last note of the chorus, maybe a different, I hear a different chord. I don't know what it is. This is not the video for that, but let's play the whole chorus one more time. So if I put a sixth on the D major, let's go up here. So let's play the chords only with a sixth at the very end with the D major. Let's see. It's beautiful. It totally fits. I'll make an inversion, maybe go here. No, that's, well, there you go. So, make an inversion of this. I'll take the fifth out. So now this is D major with an augmented fifth. Maybe an augmented fifth would be here. D major, sixth, no fifth. Look at that. That's the right inversion for this. Instead of... What else is this? This sounds like something else. Oh, wait a minute. This is a B minor. But if I keep the root being D, there you go. That's why this is so beautiful. Again, for the chord lovers, this is beautiful. We're keeping a root of one chord, playing a different chord in the right hand. That represented with a slash many times on the staff. Nevertheless, what matters is what it sounds like. So it's got to be, or see, this doesn't go as well at the verse. I'm back to the verse. I like the D major cleanly, maybe with a ninth. Another variation of the verse melody. Oh, I love this. This is fitting so well now. Okay, let's go to the next video. Let's start playing some of the song, and I will see you then. This was Gabriel ILiadis with songwriter and producer.com. Thank you for watching.